today. What's in the box? Just to give you an idea. Shh. Tell nobody. There you go. Thanks, Paco. What you doing, Paco? I'm wearing a fucking shirt. Don't show anybody. Nobody wants any. It's kind of a made to order type deal. Yep. Good. Ooh. Some shirts. Yeah. Like that. Red and red. Fuck yeah. High pressure fucking valve. I don't know where I'm gonna hide that motherfucker at though, because it's fucking huge. And the rest of the kits, it's jets, good stuff. Relays, micro switch.
There's no stickers.
Dang, such a bummer. I got a free shirt though. Sure, it would be a different nozzle setup. Forward shoulder. Single nozzle. I tasted mine as much. Don't we have a nitrous nozzle still somewhere?
Yeah.
Not a nozzle, and we got some jets somewhere. We'll have to dig that out. So this is the nozzle here. So it's meant you drill a hole basically. And this pinches itself in between whatever you drill a hole in. Face it upstream. There's a little hole. See, we had stuff to make a wet kit basically. Kind of an odd setup. Oh, that threads apart. Okay. Got some options. Waiting tomorrow should be the clutch master cylinder rebuild kit for the it's like an aftermarket adjustable one that broke, so I'm gonna rebuild it. Put that in. Let's see, couple jets. Not to holes and stuff in I already did it. Nice little Ziploc baggie, and I put the hole. Hardware. Have to get a new Ziploc baggie or take that one up. I got some masking paper somewhere. Fixed. Jet sharp. Well, we're on a dry, so there's not really any gasoline, because we're not doing the 85, not on alcohol. So gasoline, single. So Looking for a 12 to 1 air fuel ratio, and we're gonna shoot in the range of this 150 to 200 shot. So that's a .78 jet. That's the biggest motherfucking one we have in it. Not really, but we're eventually gonna work our way up to that big fucker right there. We can always drill it out and make it bigger too if we wanted to. We're gonna start out with this, probably like a 35, and work our way up. If we have a 35, we have a 52, a 31, that's a 35 shot. If I stop with a 50 shot of nitrous, if I got one, 62, 50, 35. Starting with a 50 shot. You can see the difference in the orifices there. Completely different sizes, but hell yeah. Now I just gotta get the bottle filled. So we'll get the bottle filled, get it installed, pray the clutch holds for a little bit until I can save some money and buy another clutch. Fingers crossed, but hell yeah. Everything came in for the most part. Nice and shit. I won't post this video for a while, so let me ride around, race some people first, and then eventually we'll release the video. We're kind of trying to keep it sneaky for a little while, so who knows when this video will be posted, but that's it. I got another package, wonder what it is. It is my 7/8 bore Tilton master cylinder rebuild kit. Yay! No instructions. This will be fun. It's basically to fix this hunk of junk. So I got two options. I ordered this to rebuild. I had gotten this Tilton adjustable pedal assembly from a buddy who wrecked his car. It bent the rod and broke something else. I don't remember what else it broke. But I fixed it, re-threaded the rod, all that shit, and go to pump it up and boom to the floor and stays. I'm like, motherfucker. So sure enough, popped it out. It just collapsed. So we shall figure it out. No, oh shit. Me and Hoosier went to Harbor Freight this morning and picked up a new Dremel. Because this one right here, you could hear it like I'd be dremeling, be like, let up, and like let up, and like bogging, no matter how much I oil it fucking every hour. So I went and picked up this little mini Chief one. Night and day difference. Because now they sound about the same like that, but when you put a load on them, it's a big difference. So I put a load on that one, and if I grab the trigger wide open, it's got ass behind it. That one would just fucking bog and die. So I definitely put a need for one. And for $32, couldn't beat it. Yeah, this was bent. This rod right here was bent, so I cut it, re-threaded it. That's the master cylinder. And the guys outside, you can hear it. It sounds like a fucking helicopter coming. Hear it? It's like, what the fuck is that noise? Like, is it an airplane? No, they're back there cutting corn. So anywho, nothing out of that anymore. So yeah, so I got all this, and it sucks because I put all this motherfucker together one time, and literally, and it's a pain in the ass to get this son of a bitch in there. Get it in, get the bolt tightened up, go to pump it, nothing's fucking there. I was like, son of a bitch, you fucking cardboard. So yeah, you can see it's stuck down in the fucking in there, stuck down on the end of it. Shit sounds loose. No, it's just the ball shaking. So, leaking some fluid. I'm gonna try and find a way to get that back out. I do not know how, but we'll get it figured out. I need to move all this other shit. Oh. Check valve. If anybody knows what it is, they know what it is. Okay, holy fuck. I swear, fighting these master cylinders out of these fucking things is a pain in the ass. Literally pain in the fucking ass. Got it out. Fucking like 20 minutes sitting there just fucking fighting with it randomly. You know? It's like, damn, I can't remember how I got it out last time. But man, they tucked that thing way the fuck in there. But got it out. About to take and figure out where the fuck I put the other one. God damn it. No, it's over here. Check. There's the other one. And it goes like meow. Right? Yeah, meow. And it faces up and it goes up. Like this. So, I'm gonna get this motherfucker put in real quick. Alright, so started to put together, realized somehow there was a broken bolt, like literally just sheared the top of the head of it off, just flush. I took chisel and I tried, like, you know, doing the old chisel it around trick, but it was just digging in. So I started drilling it out, got it drilled out, broke a drill bit off in it, which is the fuck I hate that shit. It always seems to happen too. Broke that motherfucker. Broke her in half. Finally got that thing wiggled out, got it cleaned out, drilled better, got a bolt, found a bolt that I had the right actual tap for, so we got this thing tapped out finally. Shavings out of it, snap the vise up a little bit. Oh yeah, that'll do. If I should like bench bleed this motherfucker, probably. Seems good. Bolts. Master cylinder is bled. Let's see how it works. Oh yeah, I like that. It feels way better. Do a little test run here in a little bit, and I'll check back in with you guys. Test driving. Shifts. It feels a lot stiffer. The spring, that's the return spring for the clutch pedal itself, it's broken. I noticed that. That's what that screeching and creaking noise is. Kind of hear it, but yeah, pedal's a lot stiffer than it was before, and it feels like it shifts a lot better too. So, definite success. Alright, so everything's in. Lines ran, tucked away, valve tucked up, switches under the pedal under there. If you just glance in real quick, it just looks like normal wiring loom. Kind of newish looking really, but about to open the bottle. Let's crack this bottle open. I don't hear nothing. Switches right there. No leaks. I'm gonna set you guys right here. nice thing about having an old fucked up car. The airbag cover, it falls off every time it breaks anyways. Alright, so now I'm about to change some plugs. Put all this shit back in. Motherfuckers have fucking spark plugs. Get this son of a bitch off. Lifetime warranty. I hate this shit. Back here's a bitch. Ow, son of a bitch. These motherfuckers hate this son of a bitch. I fucking hate that shit. Fucking warranty. On the fucking assortment of fucking shit. Chill. I was rough there on these things. A lot of shit I seen that I was like, oh fuck, like booger welded and shit. 110 fucking Harbor Freight welder. First time welding ever. Said, yeah man, I can take care of that for you. Ain't got a fucking clue what he's doing. Just went to town. This motherfucker, looking back here where the fucking, this thing looks like it got buckled. Under up here, it's fucked up. AC Delcos, you know, only the best. You know, what Uncle Larry come by. Bullshit. What do you put in, man? Brand new, man. Bet to the bet, AC Delco, man. What I got? Some of them uncles you can't fucking understand. If you're watching my shit, and I'm sure you work for a living. Let's face it. Gotta make fucking money. Put in these fucking shit boxes as much as you can. You're trying to do with what I got. A little bit when I make it. I'm sure all the people that watch this are doing the same. Out here just trying to fucking get by. Trying to make something fast on a budget. I'm definitely gonna need this short extension. When I fight this back one and cuss a bunch. This point forward, you can kind of point that towards me or wherever. I gotta turn the bottle on. Bottle's on. Switch is armed.